Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that shows up in literally every part of life: problem-solving techniques. Whether it's in school, work, or personal situations, how I approach problems often matters more than the problem itself. So when I think about problem solving, I don't see it as one fixed method. I see it as a process, a way of breaking things down so they feel less overwhelming and more manageable. The first thing I always do is define the problem clearly. This sounds simple, but it's actually where most people go wrong. If I don't fully understand what the problem is, I end up solving the wrong thing. So I try to ask, what exactly is happening? What is the gap between where I am and where I want to be? Once I've defined it, the next step is breaking it into smaller parts. Big problems usually look scary because they feel too broad. But when I split them into smaller steps, suddenly they feel much more doable. It becomes less about solving everything at once and more about solving one piece at a time. After that, I like to move into brainstorming solutions. At this stage, I don't worry too much about whether ideas are perfect. I just try to generate as many possible solutions as I can. Sometimes the best idea comes from combining two average ones, so I keep things open. Then comes evaluating options. This is where I slow down and think more critically. I ask myself, what are the pros and cons of each option? What resources do I have? What's realistic given my time, budget, or constraints? This step helps me avoid jumping into solutions that look good on the surface but don't actually work in practice. After choosing a solution, I focus on implementation. This is where planning turns into action. I try to be specific here. What exactly am I going to do first, second, and third? A good idea doesn't mean much without execution. And finally, I always include review and reflection. Once I've tried a solution, I look back and ask, did it work? What could I improve next time? This step is important because it helps me learn from every problem I solve, so I get better over time. One thing I've realized is that problem solving is not about being perfect. It's about being structured, calm, and consistent. Most problems become easier when I stop reacting emotionally and start thinking step by step. So if I had to summarize my approach, it would be: define it, break it down, explore options, choose carefully, act, and then reflect. The more I practice this way of thinking, the more confident I feel handling challenges, not just in studies or work, but in everyday life too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.